would you say about having a braking system which functions optimally and which always balances and distributes braking power equally between the truck and trailer, and which at the same time helps cut total maintenance costs? If you think that sounds interesting, then you should take a closer look at Volvo's disc brakes with EBS. Volvo's disc brakes with EBS form a new electronically regulated braking system that offers increased safety for your vehicle and better control in a variety of braking situations. Volvo's disc brakes with EBS provide a wide range of benefits, such as shorter stopping distance as a result of a faster reacting braking system and more powerful brakes, better distribution of the braking force between truck and trailer, less total wear on brakes and tires, leading in turn to lower maintenance costs, and increased stability for truck and trailer. Volvo's disc brakes with EBS are controlled electronically and react faster than a pneumatically regulated braking system. The ABS function, which is included in EBS, helps cut braking distances on slippery road surfaces. In order for you to be able to brake as effectively as possible, it is important that all the brakes function optimally and with the correct braking pressure. EBS gives you better pedal feel and increased driving comfort, owing to less brake vibration and brake squeal. The EBS system uses an electrical signal from the foot brake valve that regulates braking pressure via electrical relay valves. Furthermore, electrical sensors at each wheel register wheel speed and brake caliper wear. The registered ratings are transmitted as electrical impulses to an electronic control unit, which responds instantly by dispatching the appropriate braking force to each respective axle. We have chosen to combine EBS with disc brakes to give superior braking performance and lower service and maintenance costs. The disc itself is a vital part of the system. That is why we use a solid disc. It features a patented attachment system that minimizes the risk of crack formation and vibration. Braking force is obtained as before with the help of compressed air, while the electronic EBS system regulates the actual braking process. The various EBS functions are stored in the control unit. Calibration, fault tracing and so on can be performed via the display unit and VCADS diagnostic test. This technology offers far more uniform braking effect than conventional systems, since a wear indicator is built into each brake. When less than 20% of lining thickness remains, a warning is shown in the display unit. If a fault occurs, the EBS system activates a pneumatic backup system featuring two independent circuits. When the driver presses the brake pedal, the regular pneumatic braking system is also activated. The backup system is only activated when a fault occurs in the EBS system. EBS cuts maintenance costs since there are fewer valves. The ABS valves, load sensing valve, and relay valve are now integrated into a single unit. Distribution of braking force between a rig's various axles is often incorrect in a conventional system. The brakes on an axle that has to do a larger than normal part of the total braking work wear at an abnormally fast rate. Higher temperature considerably increases caliper wear. With EBS, braking power is automatically adjusted between the front and rear axles depending on brake caliper wear. EBS also balances braking power between truck and trailer, thus improving stability and minimizing lining wear. The system automatically adjusts braking pressure depending on whether the trailer is over-braked or under-braked. Braking power is automatically adapted to suit different trailers. No extra equipment is needed when hooking up a different trailer to the system. You always have the correct braking pressure for the entire rig, even if you switch trailers several times in a single shift. This automatic adaptation takes place in two stages. Stage 1, quick adaptation for initial startup pressure between truck and trailer. Stage 2, initial startup pressure for the trailer is fine-tuned to match the tractor. EBS ensures more uniform braking performance between truck and trailer. Both the truck and the trailer retard their fair share of the total rig weight. In normal conditions, the differential may be damaged if it is activated when you drive on a slippery road surface and the wheels are rotating at different speeds. With EBS, however, the spinning wheel is braked and the differential is automatically engaged when the wheels reach the same speed. If the EBS system cannot synchronize the wheels within 10 seconds, the active wheel synchronizing function is disabled. The differential is only engaged once the wheels have been properly synchronized. EBS also includes the TCS traction control system, which adapts to suit the driver's driving pattern. If you are driving on a slippery road surface and the wheels begin to spin, the EBS system automatically steps in to cut engine power. If road speed is lower than 40 km an hour, the spinning wheel too is braked so that it turns at the same speed as the other wheels. The system functions like an automatic differential lock, with the spinning wheel being braked so that power can be transferred to the other driven wheel. If you get stuck in snow or other slippery conditions, you can set the system to permit more wheel spin to pull yourself out of trouble. Just press the TCS terrain button on the instrument panel to allow more wheel slip. This increases the rear axle's speed by 10 km an hour in relation to front axle speed. Disengage the terrain function by pressing the TCS button again. The driver manual offers more detailed information about the TCS function. There is the option of an electrically activated trailer brake known as TB, which allows you to brake the trailer only when switching trailers or adjusting the fifth wheel. You can also use this function to check that the trailer is securely attached. Before driving off, brake the trailer by pressing the trail breaker button. Then check that the trailer is securely attached. When you're done, release the button. For safety reasons, the trailer brake only operates at speeds of up to 4 km an hour. All the components used in the Volvo disc brake with EBS have been developed to withstand the toughest of conditions in prolonged use. Always use genuine Volvo parts to ensure optimum braking performance under all road conditions. Volvo's disc brakes with EBS give you more safety and better control in a wide variety of braking situations.